Knee pain can be debilitating, affecting your mobility and quality of life. But there's a natural solution that can provide lasting relief without invasive procedures or harmful medications. Introducing Ageless Knees, a program designed to target the root cause of knee pain, the weakening of the femoral nerve. Through a combination of easy-to-follow exercises and electroacupuncture massage, Ageless Knees strengthens the femoral nerve, alleviating pain and restoring mobility. This safe and non-invasive approach has already helped thousands of people experience significant relief from chronic knee pain. What sets Ageless Knees apart is its affordability and accessibility. With a one-time payment of just $47, you can access this comprehensive program from the comfort of your own home. The program is backed by scientific studies and has no reported side effects. It's a natural and effective solution that addresses the underlying cause of knee pain, rather than just treating the symptoms. Ageless Knees is easy to follow and can be done in just 7 minutes a day. Users have reported overwhelmingly positive results, regaining their mobility and freedom from knee pain. Don't let knee pain hold you back any longer. Discover the natural solution with Ageless Knees and experience lasting relief without the risks or costs associated with traditional treatments. Ageless Knees was created by Chris Ohochinsky, a certified athletic trainer with years of experience, to provide a natural and effective solution for knee pain relief. Ageless Knees is a safe, affordable, and effective solution for chronic knee pain, backed by scientific studies and proven results from thousands of users. Take the first step towards lasting relief and regain your mobility with Ageless Knees, the natural solution for knee pain. Don't let knee pain hold you back any longer. Click the link below to get Ageless Knees now and experience lasting relief.